So, getting a manufacturer date on the HVAC and making sure the exterior unit matches the interior unit as far as manufacturer date and the manufacturer to make sure that your warranty is valid. If you just replace the outside unit and not the inside unit, and you don't know that that is the issue, and then a few months after you buy the home, your heating and air goes out, you call a heat and air company to come out and they go, well, it's not under warranty anymore because the outside unit doesn't match the inside, and now we
No
can't
kidding. I didn't know that.
voided the warranty. Correct. Or and that comes up on the 4-point inspection that I would be able to see that.